Hey guys, I'm back to help you out on Resident Evil 1 with this night statue that's behind this door. Pretty much when you walk in, these night statues are going to come out of place and you're going to have to put them back. This puzzle was so hard for me when I was a kid because when I did them in the wrong order, they would automatically come back out and I would have to keep going back and forth. Once I found this order, it'd be easy. Whatever you do not go to this button and push it. You'll automatically die. Just go up to this knight right here at the top right and push him in place. And then after that, you're going to want to go to the bottom left side and push this knight into his place. And then after you do that, go turn right behind you to the knight on the right, push him in place, and then the fourth one will automatically go back in its spot as well. And then once you're done, after all that, you go back to that button that I told you not to push. Now you go push it. And then boom, you're done with the puzzle. Hope this helped you out so you don't have any trouble with your playthrough like I did with mine. But see you later, guys.